Alright, hoy vamos a empezar el verbo, con el verbo ir. Estos son los apuntes para lección 4, lección 4.1. Lección 4.1, el verbo ir. We're looking at el verbo ir. Yesterday, we very briefly introduced just the conjugation of it, okay? So, we have ir, and I would love for you to write it down again, because then you might actually remember it one time. It could happen. Okay, so we have ir. First, we write down our infinitive, and ¿qué significa ir? To go. Ir means to go. And what one phrase did we learn that has ir in it before we even knew what ir was? Huh? Puedo ir al baño. Muy bien, Emma. Puedo ir al baño. Can I go to the bathroom? Okay. Then, second step, we write down our pronombres personales. Pronombres personales. Okay. And we have, repite, yo voy. Yo voy. Tú vas. Tú vas. Él, ella, usted va. Él, ella, usted va. Nosotros
Vamos.
vamos. Nosotros vamos. Vosotros
Vais.
vais. ¿Hay acento? ¿Sí o no? No hay acento. Ellos, ellas, ustedes van. Muy bien. ¿Y qué significa voy? ¿Qué significa? I go. Voy is I go. ¿Qué significa vas? You informal go. Va. What?
He goes.
What was that? He goes. You sound like a donkey. He goes. What else? She goes. What else? Okay, give me an example for it goes. When would you use it goes?
The roller coaster goes. Boom.
It goes. And he says the roller coaster, la montaña rusa va muy rápido. It goes very fast. How's that? Okay. He goes, she goes, it goes, and you formal go. Okay. So nosotros vamos is we go. Vosotros vais is
You guys go.
you guys go. You guys go. And van is they go. They go for a group of boys, girls, mixed. What else? A group of it. They go just with for like the buses go. And the last one is you all formal go. You all formal go. Okay? Right now, we're going to diagram this in another way. First person. What are the two forms of first person? What is it? Yo voy and nosotros vamos. First person, we're talking about ourselves, yes? Okay? Second person, nosotros vamos. Should finish writing it, huh? Okay? Second person, we're talking about who now?
You.
You. And you have to be face to face with the person to use second person, right? Okay, we're talking about you. What are our forms for the you form? Jalen, can you give me one of them? Tu vas is one of them. You got it. Tu vas. Okay. What's another one, Antonio? Vosotros what? Vosotros vais. Muy bien. Okay, vosotros vais. Okay, there's actually two more. Fix, what's another one?
Usted va.
Usted va. Muy bien. Usted va. You guys are rocking it. Okay, and one more. Chris O'Reilly, what do you think? What's another second person one? We have tu vas, vosotros vais, usted va. And what is our other second person pronoun that we don't have up here? How would I say you all formal go? Ustedes what?
Van.
Ustedes van. Perfect. Ustedes van would be you all formal go. Excelente. Okay, now we're taking it up a level. If I ask you a question using the second person, any of the second person verbs, doesn't matter which one, how are you going to answer me? First person. If I ask you tú vas, how do you answer? Yo voy. How about vosotros vais?
Nosotros vamos.
Okay, how about usted va?
Yo voy.
How about ustedes van?
Nosotros vamos.
Oh wow, do you see this? Look at that.
Hey, that's silly.
If I ask in either of these two forms, you have to answer in this one. If I ask in either of these two, you have to answer in this one. That's kind of cool. All right. Okay, third person. La tercera persona. La tercera persona. Okay. What do we have for la tercera persona? Jordan, what's one of our tercera personas? Okay, let's back it up. What does third person mean in English? What are some of our pronouns for third person? He, she, and they. Okay, so now Jordan, if we just told you that he, she, and they in English are some of our third person indicators, what would you guess could be the right forms up here?
Ella va.
Okay, ella va. Muy bien, I like it. Ella va. What else? Another one? Tristan, what's another one? El va, good man. And el needs an acento sobre la e. Sobre la e. Okay, and how about the two plural ones? The two plural ones? Houston, what's one?
Ellos van.
Ellos van.
You van.
Ellos van. Okay, and Lexi?
Ellas van.
Ellas van. Okay, muy bien. Ellas van. If I ask you a question in the third person, how are you going to answer me generally? In the third person. Does she go to the store? Yes, she goes to the store. Does he go to the museum? Yes, he goes to the museum. Do they go to the, there's another location, the central? Yes, they go to the central. Yeah? Okay, todo bien hasta ahora, are we good? Okay, let's do a few examples. Right now, in your notes, I would like you to translate we go to the, where are we going to go? We go to the movie theater. I like it, the movie theater. We go to the movie theater. Oh. Okay, let's see it in your notes. We go to the movie theater. You want to be on YouTube?
No.
Oh.
That sucks.
Oh, God. Okay. Thank you. Hide all day. Okay.
He already got caught.
Dile, todos. Dile, hola.
Hola.
Dile, gracias.
Gracias.
Por.
Por.
Are we going to use ser and a star or a star if we say thank you for being in our video? Gracias por estar. Repite, in nuestra video.
Video.
And he's going to say something back. What's he going to say?
Feliz cumpleaños.
No. What could he say back to say you're welcome?
Buenos días de
de
los
nada?
muertos.
No. Oh, qué vayas. Adios. Okay, what did you guys get? Brandy, how'd you start for we go to the movie theater? Nosotros vamos. Good woman. Nosotros vamos. Hey, chicos, hay que escuchar, por favor. Nosotros vamos. All cine. Why is it all cine? Plus L becomes all. Okay, another one. You informal. Go to the. What's another one of our weirdo ones? Church.
Church.
Oh, I forgot church.
Oh yeah. We have
Yeah.
church, don't we? Is that all the vocab? Oh my goodness, that's a lot.
Sí, hay mucho vocabulario. You informal go to the church. Okay, Mackenzie, what do you have?
Tú vas
Tú vas a...
Oh, man.
You forgot church? Josh.
Iglesia.
Okay. Tú vas a iglesia.
La iglesia.
Iglesia. I have to sound that out. Iglesia. 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 Okay. Any corrections? De acuerdo? Oh, a la iglesia. Okay. And we need an acento donde?
Oh, man.
Sobre la tú, right? Now, from these two examples that we've just done, Chris, what would be a formula for when you're telling me that you're going to a place? When you go to a place, and you had to write a formula in Spanish for how to write that sentence, what would you do? What would you start with?
Here.
Okay, we're going to start with ir. And what do we have to do to ir? Can I just say to go to? We have to conjugate it. And what does it mean when I tell you to conjugate it?
Change it to the correct form.
Change it to the correct form of either voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, or van. Repite todos just for fun. Voy, vas, va.
Voy, vas, va.
Vamos, vais, van. Voy, vas, va. Vamos, vais, van. Voy, vas, va. Okay, do you have it in your head now? Okay. A form of the verb ir plus, what's our next thing going to be? Oh! Plus, what now?
Definite article.
A definite article. Harper, what are my 4 definite articles? Yeah, you. What are the 4 definite articles that we know? 4 different ways to say the. El, good man, I like it. La, las, and los. Good man, you nailed it. Muy bien. Okay, ir plus a plus a definite article plus what?
Lugar.
Lugar, plus the place, the lugar. Excelente, muy bien. Plus the lugar. Okay? Shall we repasar our lugares? Muy rápido. Do we need to repasar our lugares? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Let's see what I did. Oh, right on my face. Got him.
Oh, no.
All right. Tristan, ¿me quieres ayudar? Would you mind helping me? We're gonna put them right up on the board,
Be on
and there should be some
YouTube.
magnets. Whoop whoop! All right, we have repite la escuela.
La escuela.
La escuela.
La escuela.
¿Qué significa la escuela?
The school.
The school. The school. And there's some magnets right over there on the board if you want to stick them up. We have repite el hospital.
El hospital.
Let's put our negatives in our not negatives, our masculine in one column and our feminine in the other. We have el hospital. Okay. La escuela. ¿Qué significa la escuela?
The school.
What is the word for high school?
El colegio.
El colegio. And we'll do this. We're going to do L's over there and La's over here. So do you want to write down el colegio for me? Because we don't have that one. We have repite, la librería.
La librería.
La librería. ¿Qué significa la librería? The bookstore. And this one is a false cognate because what does it look like? Library. But it really means bookstore. It means bookstore. La librería. Muy bien. How about la biblioteca? La biblioteca is the library. La biblioteca is library.
Está la biblioteca.
Perfecto. Muy bien. Okay, we have repite, la fuente.
La fuente.
La fuente.
La fuente.
La fuente. What does Mr. Fuentes, what does fuente mean? Fountain. It's fountain. Okay, la fuente is a fountain. Yeah, totally.
First fountains. Yep.
Muy bien, la fuente. We have, repite, la ciudad.
La ciudad.
La ciudad.
La ciudad.
¿Qué significa la ciudad?
The city.
The city. La ciudad is the city. La ciudad is the city. Do you girls want to check on the desk area there and see if we can find some more magnets? We have, repite, la farmacia. La farmacia. ¿Qué significa la farmacia? Pharmacy. Now, when you're traveling in Spain, one useful thing for you, always look for the green cross. It's a green cross. Okay, and that's always the sign for the pharmacy. And that's kind of nice when you don't speak any Spanish, okay, and you're looking for symbols. La farmacia, it's always green. And we just set it there for a minute. We have, repite, el mercado. El mercado. ¿Qué significa el mercado?
The market.
The market, a market. Muy bien. And we'll put that in the L pile. Okay, we have repite, el café. ¿Y qué haces en el café? ¿Qué haces? What do you do in el café? Tomar un café, tomar un café. You tomar un café. Muy bien. El restaurante.
El restaurant.
¿Qué significa el restaurante? The restaurant. El restaurante is the restaurant. Muy bien. El restaurante is the restaurant. Okay. We have, we have el lugar.
El lugar.
El lugar. ¿Qué significa el lugar? The place. The place. El lugar is the place. Muy bien. We have, repite, el centro. ¿Qué significa el centro? Downtown. El centro is your downtown area. Downtown area. Okay. We have el cine. El cine. ¿Qué significa el cine? Movie theater, the cinema. We have, repite, la plaza. And la plaza is the what? Town square. It's like the town square of the city center. We cleaned the room so well that now we can't even find our magnets, can we? Okay. ¿Cómo se dice? ¿Cómo se dice? The park. Oh, great. Now you're following me. This is even better.
Well,
¿Cómo se
I don't
dice
want to
park?
just look at the board. It's weird.
El parque. We have el parque is park. El parque is park. ¿Cómo se dice museum? What? ¿Qué?
Museo.
¿Dónde cae el énfasis? Is it museo or el museo? El museo. So el énfasis es sobre la E, right? El museo. El museo. El museo. Muy bien. We have, repite, la piscina. And we don't want to hacer pis in la piscina. That's how you remember what la piscina is. You don't want to make urine in la piscina. No haces pis en la piscina. Okay? ¿Qué haces en la piscina, entonces? ¿Qué haces? Nadas. Uno puede nadar. ¿Qué más? Tomar el sol. Muy bien. We have, repite, la iglesia. La iglesia. ¿Qué significa la iglesia? Church. Muy bien. How about el gimnasio? El gimnasio. What do you do at el gimnasio?
Work out.
How do you say to do exercise? You guys actually know this because you've seen it in your homework over and over again. Hacer, yep, hacer los ejercicios. Muy bien. Hacer los ejercicios. That'd be a great thing to write down, just so you know what to do in that place. And we have the other two. Muy bien. We got them all separated, and we'll find some magnets at some point and stick them up there. All right. Thank you very much. Gracias por tu ayuda. All right. Una cosita más. Una cosita más. I want to explain your entry task for tomorrow. Tomorrow's entry task is going to practice your use of the verb estar. When do we use estar when we're talking about location?
When it's the location of a person.
Location of a person or location of a
Cosa.
a thing, right? Location of a person or location of a cosa are the two times that we're going to use estar. So your entry task tomorrow is going to say, it's going to be a sentence, and you have to finish the sentence. And it's going to say, cuando yo estoy en la biblioteca, you're going to want to write down an example or two. Cuando yo estoy en la biblioteca, yo, with a ... Cuando yo estoy en la biblioteca, yo ... Okay? Now,
When?
what is a logical thing? When? Are we asking a question with this when?
Yeah.
No.
No, I'm just making a statement. I'm telling you, when I'm in the library, I read. Yeah, I read. Okay?
Oh, I get it.
We're not asking a question, so we don't need to have an accent over cuando. Okay? Cuando yo estoy en la biblioteca, yo leo, how do you say a magazine? Una revista. And you have to basically come up with the verb, okay, from this chapter, most likely, that makes the most sense. Okay, let's do another one. Cuando usted está en las montañas.
In the mountains.
Usted. What could I do? Dime.
Go on an excursion.
Esquía. We could say usted
Aw.
esquía. Absolutely. ¿Qué más? What else could we say?
El esquí.
Go on an excursion.
Escalar las montañas. Escalar las montañas. Okay. Tal vez.
Ir
Tal
de
vez.
excursion.
Or we could say ir de excursión. So how am I going to conjugate ir de excursión? Which form of ir am I going to use? Usted va de excursión.
Yay.
Do you kind of see what you're doing here?
See.
Okay, now I'm going to make it a little bit harder.
Oh no.
Cuando, yeah, I can see you're very worried. Cuando estamos in
La hospital.
I don't really have. Cuando nosotros estamos en
El colegio.
el ¿qué?
Colegio.
El colegio. Okay, how do you know what form to answer in?
Estar gives it away.
Well, estar gives it away, but how do you know what form am I going to have to answer the rest of the sentence in? Jordan Cow, look alive!
Focus.
Hi, sunshine. How are we going to know? Huh? It's going to be the nosotros form. How did you know that this is going to start with nosotros? Because estamos is conjugated in the nosotros form. Do you understand this now? Okay, because this is what you're going to have to be able to do for your entry test tomorrow before the quiz,
Sweet.
okay? So you'll be practicing more of your verbs then. So, adios, nos vemos, ciao.